High wind watch remains in effect from late tonight through Sunday evening for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Winds: west winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. High winds may bring down trees and power lines. Lightweight objects such as trash cans and deck furniture should be secured. Be aware of crosswinds while driving, especially on bridges and overpasses, or if you are in a high-profile vehicle. People who need to secure outdoor objects should do so ahead of time. In addition, drivers of high-profile vehicles or those towing a trailer should be prepared for this potential driving hazard. High wind watch remains in effect from early Sunday morning through late Sunday night. For Hancock, Wyandotte, Marion, Morrow, and Knox counties. Winds: southwest 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 65 miles an hour. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. High wind watch remains in effect from Sunday morning through Monday morning. For Muskingum County. Winds: west 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts around 60 miles an hour. Strongest winds expected Sunday morning through Sunday evening. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles of the south shore of Lake Erie. Gale warning in effect from Sunday morning through late Sunday night. Low water advisory in effect from 7 a.m. Sunday to 4 a.m. Monday. Today, east wind 5 to 15 knots. A slight chance of rain late this morning. A chance of rain this afternoon. Waves in ice-free areas 2 feet or less. Tonight, southeast winds 10 to 15 knots becoming south 15 to 20 knots. Rain with a chance of thunderstorms. Waves 1 to 3 feet building to 2 to 4 feet. Sunday, southwest winds 20 to 25 knots becoming west and increasing to 40 knot gales in the afternoon. A chance of rain showers in the morning. Waves 2 to 4 feet building to 5 to 9 feet. Waves occasionally around 11 feet. Sunday night, west gales to 40 knots diminishing to 35 knots. Mostly cloudy. Waves 5 to 8 feet. Waves occasionally around 10 feet. Winds and waves higher in and near thunderstorms. Wave heights are for ice-free areas. The water temperature off Toledo is 33 degrees, off Cleveland 34 degrees, and off Erie 33 degrees.